So finally guys, Redmi 9A has gotten the new Miui 12.5 update on the China. As you can see, let me show you. As you can see here, Redmi 9A China stable beta recovery 12.5.1.0 QCDC and XM. This is a Chinese stable Miui 12.5 update, but sadly Xiaomi didn't give the Android 11 update. So yeah, the Miui 12.5 is released to Redmi 9A. When a lot of you may ask when it will come to the global. So in global version it would take around 1 to 2 weeks, and to come in India it takes 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so I hope you like the video. So to download it, you need to join this Telegram channel Miui updates tracker, or I will give this Telegram invite link in the description box below as well, so that you can join easily without any problem. So this Telegram channel link will be available in the description below, and also to get these kind of more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.